In this video, I will review Systeme.io all-in marketing platform. Hey there, it's Sabek here. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I will review best digital tools that will be helpful. Before watching our video, let's see guys what I will show you today. At first, I will explain what is Systeme.io. Then I will show you Systeme.io features, pricing, pros and cons, and overall why you should choose Systeme.io. So guys, let's dive in. So guys, what is Systeme.io? Systeme.io is a comprehensive online marketing platform that offers a range of tools and features for entrepreneur, digital marketer and online business. You can easily create sales funnel, send marketing emails, build website, manage your affiliate, create online course, automate your marketing and also many more. Systeme.io features. Guys, when you log in your Systeme.io account, then they move to this page. You can see your dashboard, contact list, funnel, email. They can provide email newsletter. You can easily create your email newsletter, create your campaign. Also, you can create your funnel. You can create your automation workflow rules. Also, you can create your online course, physical one. You can easily edit your order coupon. Also, they provide affiliate system. You can easily create affiliate system on this tool. Guys, Systeme.io provides a suite of tools including sales funnel creation, email marketing, membership site management, affiliate management, and more, all within one platform. This makes it convenient for users to manage various aspects of their online businesses without needing to integrate multiple tools. You can easily sales funnel builder. One of the features of Systeme.io is a drag and drop sales funnel builder. Users can create customized funnel tailored to their specific product. Also, they provide email marketing system. Also, they provide integrate option. Systeme.io offers a comprehensive set of features. It also integrates with third-party tools and services such as payment processors, webinar platform, and CRM. Always user to connect their existing tool and workflow with the platform. Systeme.io pricing. Guys, Systeme.io offers various pricing plans based on the features and the number of contact or subscriber user have. The pricing is competitive compared to other similar platforms in the market, making it accessible to business of all sizes. They provide a free plan, even don't need a credit card. When you choose free plan, you can easily contact 2000 unlimited email send. You can create 3 sales funnel and sales funnel step 15. You can use one blog, unlimited blog post. You can create one course and unlimited student, one community, unlimited community member, file storage space, unlimited automation rules. You can create one workflow, one text, one email campaign, one click upsell, order bump one, and others many more. You can edit one custom domain, but they don't provide free migration, free plan, and one-to-one coaching session. But when you choose startup plan, you pay $27 per month. You can easily edit 5,000 content, unlimited email send. You can create 10 sales funnel, 5 blogs, and 10 automation rules. You can create 5 workflow, 10 text, 10 email campaign, and also many more. But they don't provide free migration this plan. When you choose webinar plan, you will pay $47 per month. You can edit 10,000 contact, 50 sales funnel create, 300 sales funnel step. You can create 20 blog, but they don't provide free migration plan this webinar plan. But when you choose unlimited plan, you will pay $97 per month. You can easily edit unlimited contact list, unlimited email send, unlimited sales funnel step, unlimited blog. All plan you can edit unlimited. They provide free migration plan this unlimited plan. So guys, I hope you can easily understand Systeme.io pricing plan. Systeme.io pros. Systeme.io provide a free plan. You can easily use this free plan without any credit card. This marketing platform easy to use. Systeme.io is very affordable price. Customer service is great. It's alternative to ClickFunnels and Builderall. This is a all-in-one marketing platform. They provide a free integration service. Every plan comes with unlimited storage. Systeme.io cons. Guys, they don't provide live chat support. They only provide email chat support. Integration with other applications are fewer. Tools for learning are limited. That is the pros and cons Systeme.io software. Guys, why you should choose Systeme.io. Guys, Systeme.io is a powerful and user-friendly platform for entrepreneur and business looking to build, manage, who want to grow their online business. Its comprehensive feature set, case on use, and competitive pricing make it popular choice among marketers and business owners. However, as with any tools, it's essential to evaluate your specific needs and recommend to determine if Systeme.io is the right fit for your business. Guys, you can easily find this software in my description box. Also, if you have any query, don't forget to ask in the comment box. Make sure to subscribe this channel if you don't miss my next video. So bye guys.